Okay, second one, it's f of x equals k, brackets x minus b to power of 3 plus c. So I think we sort of talked about this before. This x minus b, this is actually telling us whether it's going to the left or right. Okay, it's going to the left or right. So when it's a positive, it goes to the left by b unit, and when b is negative, go to the right by b unit. Okay, so at the moment this is x minus b, so I will say it's going to the right by b units. Okay, so that's what it is. And the c, so that's this one, c is telling us whether it's going up or down. Okay, so when c is bigger than 0, it's going up. C is less than 0, it's going down. Now k is whether it's steepness. Okay, narrow or wide. Okay, so that's what this is. So now we got these, know each one of them, what it does for the graph. So for example, if I had equation that is, I'm just making it up right now, equals x minus 3 cubed plus 2. Okay, so that's 1 here, so that means just standard. It's not narrow or wide, it will be just standard. And this one is telling us it's going to the right by 3 units. And this one telling us going up by 2. Okay, going up by 2. So let's see, going up by 2. Okay, so if I have to sketch this, graph, I will go roughly I will go something like this. Let's sketch y equals x minus 3 cubed first. So that means I'm going to the right by 3, and I'll hit somewhere here. 3, that's my y, that's my x. Now that's my y-intercept when x equals 0. So when x equals 0, what happens? My y will be minus 3 cubed. That's minus 27. Okay, so that's my minus 27 here, right there. All right. Now, I have to move this graph to up by 2. So what will happen? Let's see. If I move this one up by 2, this will become minus 25, wouldn't it? Because it's moving 2 step up. And I will go something like this. So this will be, this will be something, my new x-intercept, and that 3 will go up, and then it'll be 2 here. Okay, so how do I find this? So that's when y equals 0, isn't it? And y equals 0, so I'm going to put x minus 3 cubed plus 2 equals 0. Okay, so this one was f of x equals x minus 3 cubed plus 2. That's this one. Okay, this. And if I do that, equals minus 2, x minus 3 equals cube, and then x equals 3 plus, and if you put that in your calculator, you will get 1.74 but I'm just going to say 1.7. So here, it'll be 1.7, something like that. Okay, so that's my x-intercept. All right, so that's how I would actually sketch. That's for the second part. F of x equals k, brackets x minus b, close bracket to the power of 3 plus c.